Let's color sort those fruits and vegetables together. Grapes, they're purple, so they go in the purple cup. This broccoli is green, so it goes in the green cup. This is a watermelon and it's red, so it goes in the red cup. This yellow pineapple goes in the yellow cup. This carrot is orange, so it goes in the orange cup. This is a kiwi, it's green, so it goes in the green cup. This is a chili pepper, it's red and goes in the red cup. This is a yellow corn, it goes in the yellow cup. This orange goes in the orange cup. This red strawberry goes in the red cup. This purple eggplant goes in the purple cup. This pumpkin is orange. This lemon is yellow. This star fruit is green and goes in the green cup. These bananas are yellow and go in the yellow cup.
Let's learn colors. Yellow, green, green, brown, yellow, red, indigo, pink, red, brown, orange, purple, blue, orange, pink. Subscribe! Let's color sort these fruits and vegetables. Grapes are purple. That means we have to put it in the purple cup. Lemon is yellow, so it goes into the yellow cup. And this is red chili pepper. Does it go into the green cup? No, it goes into the red cup. Orange pumpkin goes into the orange cup. Next is an orange carrot. And this is a yellow corn. Purple eggplant. And we put this green broccoli into the green cup. Red tomato. Last is a green cabbage.
Let's sort these fruits and vegetables together. Orange goes in the orange cup. Pear goes in the green cup. Apple goes in the red cup. Lemon is yellow. Grapes are purple. Red tomato. Orange carrot. Corn is yellow, so it goes in the yellow cup. Green cabbage. Last one is a purple eggplant and goes in the purple cup. Subscribe if you want to learn more.
Let's learn colors and numbers together. Pineapple has a yellow number 1 in it. Let's put one yellow ball there. There is an orange number 2 in orange. That means we have to put 2 orange balls in it. And star fruit has a green number 5. Let's put 5 green balls in the star fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, watermelon has red number 3 in it. Let's put 3 red balls there. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. The last fruit has blue number 6. We have to put 6 blue balls into the blueberry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All done. Subscribe for more fun games. Let's solve this puzzle together. Number 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Nice work! Thank you!
Let's learn numbers and counting together. 1. One bear. 2. 1, 2. 2 bears. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 bears. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bears. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bears. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. 6 bears.
Let's solve this puzzle together. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All done. Subscribe for more fun activities. Let's solve this puzzle together. Number 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Great job! Subscribe!
Let's color sort these diamonds together. Indigo diamond. Pink diamond goes into the pink cup. Green diamond goes in the green cup. Yellow diamond goes in the yellow cup. White diamond. Blue diamond. Pink diamond goes in the pink cup. Indigo diamond. Indigo cup. Red diamond. Purple diamond goes in the purple cup. Yellow diamond goes in the yellow cup. Blue diamond. Last one is pink. Thank you so much for playing with me.
Let's learn fruits and colors. Orange, orange. Green, star fruit. Brown, avocado. Yellow, pineapple. Purple, dragon fruit. Pink, strawberry. Blue, blueberry. Red, watermelon. Let's learn colors together. Green, blue, orange, orange, green, indigo, yellow, indigo, green, brown, white, purple, pink, blue, brown, white, pink, red, purple, brown, gray, yellow, pink, black, indigo, yellow, blue, orange, gray, gray, black, red, red, white, black, purple,